at this animal. What's on their nose? They're really putting on a show. Could it be? Yes, it's a dolphin, don't you know? A dolphin with a ball on its nose. A dolphin with a ball on its nose. Which animal could this be performing for the crowd? Toot, toot. This animal's super loud. Can you guess what it could be? The biggest of them all. Toot, toot. It's an elephant balancing on a ball. Toot, toot. Toot, toot. Which animal do you think this is leaping through the sky? Roar, roar. They jump so very high. Look at that fuzzy mane and listen to them sing. Roar. It's a lion jumping through a ring. Roar, roar. It's a lion jumping through a ring. Can you guess the animal that's racing all around? Grr, grr. What a big sound. A fuzzy body zipping back and forth. That's right. Grr. It's a bear riding on a bike. Grr, grr. It's a bear riding on a bike. Who do you think this could be under the big tent? Nay, nay. Such a special event. What animal is this moving to the song? Nay. It's a horse prancing all along. Nay, nay. It's a horse prancing all along. Who could this be all dressed up for the show? Ooh-ee, ooh-ee. They swing from high to low. Can you guess who this one is? They circle all around it. Ooh-ee, ooh-ee. It's a monkey in an outfit. Ooh-ee, ooh-ee. A monkey in an outfit. Clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. And cheer. Yay! For the animals in the circus.
Smile and learn.
Hello, friends. Do you like animals? I love them. Today we're going to learn about farm animals. It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow. Cow. I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow. I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse. Horse. Horses are really fast. Horse. Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep. Sheep. This sheep is so soft. Sheep. Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen. Hen. Hens lay eggs. Hen. Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. I love rabbit ears. Rabbit. There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there. It's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them?